Hey guys, my name is Ritu Chava. I'm the CEO of PPC Ninja. We are an advertising and creative services agency for the AI era. Sorry I couldn't join live today, so I'm sending my recording. So today I will show you a magic formula, which is equals AI. So it goes like this. As you type AI, it allows you to add a prompt and then the range on which that prompt should act. Now I'm going to show you a few demos of where this can be used and where it can be used at scale. So let's pretend that we're doing some listing rewrites. I have my product title in the first column, column A. In my second column, I have this AI prompt, which is equals AI. What I'm saying is rewrite this as an SEO optimized Amazon title under 200 characters, front load with the main keyword. And then I'm putting this magic here, which says and A3, and that's the range, which is this cell. And same thing for this, I have used this prompt here, AI, write 3 benefit-driven Amazon bullet points for and A3, which is this one. Now let's pretend I wanted to do this for all of these products. I can simply drag this down and immediately the AI starts to generate responses to each of this. You see how fast this is going, right? Now let me show you another example of review mining. So let's say you have a bunch of reviews. Here are 3 prompts that I have put up here for you guys to see and copy if you need to. But essentially, the first one is telling me whether this review sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. The second one is telling me extracting the single biggest complaint from this review, and the third one is basically just classifying it as a theme like quality, shipping issue, size, battery, service, etc., etc. So now again, this is as easy as dragging my formula down, and it simply acts on a gigantic data set right here. And as I speak, this gets filled out, which is pretty cool, right? Okay, next, another example, search terms, right? Let's say we have a bunch of search terms like in this column, and I've given it my product, and I've said my product is a stainless steel insulated 32-ounce water bottle. Is this term relevant or it's a negative candidate? So let me look at the second search term here. It's a plastic water bottle, so it should come out as negative, right? So let me again copy these two and just drag the formula down. Let's see what happens. It's generating. And it says, yes, it is a negative candidate. It also gives you the reason that it is a wrong material, not stainless steel, and so on. Now, let me give you the fourth example here. I'm just calling it magic row because in one row you can do so much. So let's say this is my product idea and I want to generate a title. Simply say equals and then make it act on the cell, generates bullet points, also asking it to translate it in German. You want to do whatever language you can do all languages, and then also generate backend keywords. So all of this, again, I can simply drag this down and apply it to the other products that I have here, and boom, it does it at scale. One last example for those of you who do some sales work like CRM, etc. So here I'm asking it with a lot of contact emails and last product purchased, I'm asking it to extract the likely company name from this email domain, and then next write a friendly 2-sentence reorder reminder email for a customer who bought the product in cell B3. So I'm gonna just drag this down. So as you can see, this one says outdoor gear company. So it's pulled out the name and so on. So this is kind of cool because everything is happening at scale and very fast as I'm speaking. So let me summarize by saying why should we do it in Sheets? Why not just take it to an LLM directly? Yes, you can do that, of course. But the moment you start having lots and lots of things to do, it becomes much easier to do it in spreadsheets. Scales with a drag, one prompt, hundreds of rows as fast as you can pull the corner down. It's a pipeline, not a chat, right? So remember that it isn't going to do all the things that you can do in a chat. But because this is something that is already built into spreadsheets, you can just feed your AI into filters, ifs, pivots, so that the output drives the next step automatically. So it's very convenient for anyone who's good with spreadsheets. This is a no-brainer. It stays live and shareable. So imagine your entire team can see all of this, and it has a certain permanence to it that chats don't, and everything is very nice, neatly organized, and so on. You can change a cell, row generates, the prompt sits in the formula bar for your team to see, tweak, and reuse. Now, I would like to say this, the honest ceiling, that there are some daily rate limits, but it's not that small. I mean, you can generate, I think, hundreds and hundreds of cells with the inbuilt Gemini prompt. So try it out. If it works for you, this is actually pretty cool. It does need the Gemini workspace. Even if you have the basic kind of business standard account, this will work for you. So that was my hack. Hope you liked it. Thanks.